Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make Dal Makhani with mixed dal. So let's see what all ingredients we require. So we require 1 cup of mixed dal, 1 finely chopped onions, 1 tomato puree, 3 to 4 green chillies finely chopped, half tablespoon of Garam Masala, 2 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of basil, some salt to taste, and some fresh coriander leaves. First, pour some ghee. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds flutter, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala, so roast the masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now goes in chopped onions, chopped green chillies, again mix well and cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, it's time to add tomato puree. Some salt. Again close the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, when the oil starts separating from the masalas, it's time to add the cooked dal. Add water. Close the lid and again cook for 5 to 7 minutes. So when it starts boiling, add some Kasuri Methi, some fresh cream, add some coriander leaves, lastly some butter on the top.